so it is later into the video itself, but this is the intro. We are going to be eating the most hated, overlooked fish, freshwater fish, where we fish, okay? And they are called the freshwater drum. Their rep is basically, it's a carp, it's a rough fish, it's a trash fish, so people either dispose it on the shore or they just treat it really bad, right? Me, I'm guilty, okay? I used to hate them too. I never like abused them or like kill them or anything for fun, but like I used to hate them myself, but I've learned to actually like enjoy them and target them. You can see in my like older videos where I would catch like really big 7 to 10 to 12 pound drums, and they're just absolutely fun to catch in deep water, shallow water. They are very big. They grow to be at least 20-25 pounds, at least where we are, and I've learned to just appreciate them. So today's video, we're gonna fillet it, prep it. It's not my first time eating drum. I had drums before with my parents. They used to make it. John, Outdoor Habits, he makes a wonderful dish. He makes a soup out of it, kind of like a fish broth, and it's absolutely amazing. But today we're gonna fish fry it, and we're gonna find out together if it's good. To be honest with you guys, I've never had it fried. Not that I remember, okay? But I've had it in fish broth. I had it like fry as a whole. But this time, we're doing it fillet, fish fry for you guys. So with that being said, stay tuned. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so right now I got the oil started. Okay, well, it started a while ago. But I'm gonna go ahead, let that warm up. I got a little bit of batter left, you can see here. We're gonna put that freshwater drum and white bass in this. This is that Louisiana lemon mix, the bag that I usually show you guys. But let me just, get that mixed up real quick. Got 2 left. Gee. Some eggs in here. Create like a nice coating. Kind of mixing here is like the easiest it can get, okay? Mix up the eggs. And then all you gotta do is put the fish in it. What the egg does is that it attaches to the meat, sort of, right? Creates like a little coating. And then when you put the flour in it, the flour can stick on it. Because yeah, you could do it without the eggs too, but the flour just give it like that extra. I mean, the egg just give that extra stick to it, and also it tastes good when it's fried up. Now you just take the meat, just let it soak in here. I don't have a lot, so I'm not worried about letting it sit too long. It's just enough, right? Just kind of massage it. You see that? Put the meat, massage around the egg, let it soak in just a little bit, maybe like, I don't know, 2 to 3 minutes. Well, you wash plate or whatever, it should be ready after that. Alright, so now, put the fillet in the bag. Yeah. Throw it in there. You gotta be perfect because you're gonna throw all that flour in there anyways, the batter. All right, that's in. Put the flour in. We're just gonna use it all because I don't think I'll need it. Mix it all up, massage it. Get the flour to stick on it. You don't have to do it this way. You can technically what do you call it? You can put it in a bowl and then just like flap it on there. You know what I mean? But this is like the quickest way to do it when you're stranded on an island or something. I don't know. All right, here goes the drum, guys. Here goes the drum. Ooh, it's ready. You hear that sizzling? Oof. Here we go. Look, sizzling. That's how you know you got the right temperature going. You don't want the oils to be too hot where it's like popping at you. So this is like the perfect heat. I got halfway to low, medium and low. So we good. And no, I didn't dice it up. I don't know, just because. I'm gonna eat the whole thing as it is. It's just me tonight, so. Put that in there. Move that one over and put that in there. Voila! Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Bam! Look at that. I'll be honest with you guys, it actually smells really good. Like, it smells like it's fishy, but also like the batter, you know what I mean? Sometimes that's a good thing, because when I do make like fish fry like this, like crappie, bluegill, and I'm not here to like diss crappie and bluegill, right? They are delicious, but they don't have like that like fish oily smell to it. You guys know what I mean? This right here, you can smell it, because if you guys don't know, the freshwater drum is technically, it is a rough fish. Okay, so if you guys didn't know that, drums are rough fish categorized. Okay, so they are a little more gamey, if that make any sense, but that's a good thing during the springtime. Summertime, I had them before, and they are super strong, they're super gamey, because I think it's just from like the warm temperature itself, like the warm water. But the colder season freshwater drum, they are delicious. So it's time to flip. You don't want to overcook like fish fry, right? If you do, then it gets really dry and crunchy, which you don't want. Because the idea is to let it sit and rest at the same time while you let it cool down. And while it's resting, it's basically slow cooking, cooling down, if that makes any sense. You don't want to overcook it. I made that mistake before and it was not fun. Alright guys, check that out. We got ourselves some simple, like I said, I was a little careless today because I just want to eat. Simple yet delicious freshwater drum with white bass. It looks really good, guys. I don't know about you guys, but I'm digging it. Smells good. Danny, you missed now. Try this small piece right here. That's nice. Okay, so the white bass is right here. You could tell because it's like a little whiter. And where's the other piece? There's the white bass right here. So the white bass here, there's 2 white bass pieces, and the rest are freshwater drum. Like you said, you can smell the not so strong fishiness of it, if that make any sense. Oh, hot. I actually like that. Wow. Look, see how dark it is? I actually like this. Dang, bro, you're missing out. Man, I wish I had some tartar sauce. Guys, I kid you not. It is really good. Look, I'll prove it to you. Look how dark that meat is. It has like that purpleness of it, the bloodline, the mudline they call it. But when you deep fry it, wow. It's almost Like I said, it's almost fishy, oily, but not as strong as carp, you know. So it's that fishiness is good. See that dark part? Oh, it's falling. No, don't fall, don't fall. That dark part right there. Oh yeah. And it's very filling. Mmm. Bro, that might even be better than white bass. Mm-hmm. The white bass is right here. See how thin it is? And white bass is good, you know? White bass is not bad at all. Especially a small one. That's the word for it. The sheephead tastes heavier than the white bass. Which is a good thing. Mm-hmm. That was the drum. Here's the white bass. Wow. That's good. Mm-hmm. And I know drum have a very bad rep because they're rough fish, native rough fish. They're delicious. Mm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was quick, but we had to do it, okay? I just had to, because it's been long overdue. I've always wanted to cook a sheephead for you guys, and we did it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys with hot next time. Peace.